Okay, welcome back, everybody. So we need to talk about loops. So I talked about read, evaluate, print, and loop. So we've already done print. Now the next step that is perfect for a computer to do the same thing over and over again until it's done. And guess what? Of course, I can't know my alphabet right now. 4, here we go. Oh yeah, it goes up and down, column to column. So here's the keyword 4. So a keyword, we're going to know it's going to turn orange, and we're going to use our variable name. Now I'm going to show you something, another little Easter egg commenting. So what I did right here is, in mine, it's, I comment out a different way, but if you're using shell and the Python file right now, you could highlight everything you want and you do Alt 3, and you can also go up to one of the operations at the top to find it. But you can highlight as many lines as you want to comment out, and then you do Alt 4 to uncomment. So now let's look at the for loop, and that just told me that I'd misspelled 4. So all right, for I in, here's another keyword, in. Now we need to talk about everything on this line. There's a lot on this line. For I in name, and then a colon, not a semicolon, a colon. This is called the header. All right, this is what are we doing. Then I hit enter, and you're going to see a lot right here. I just went to, I'm indenting. Now this is the body. Python does this automatically for you. So if I leave, I think my program doesn't let me leave this off. Yeah, it won't. But if you're in your file and your cursor's back over here, you forgot your semicolon. Excuse me, you forgot your colon. That sounded weird. Okay, so now I'm here. And now, oops. See how I corrected that? I had a problem. I didn't try to fix it. I backspace. That is another, you don't want to try to find and see how you just backspace until you get to the previous line and go back and let Python help you with it. So now this is called, I'm going to show you this, and then we're going to really delve into it. So here's what we're doing, and this is how we're going to do with it. What we're going to do with it. All right. So now I'm going to run. I'm going to press my F5 and I'm going to run. Okay. This is really cool. SAMUEL. So now you might be saying, all right, well, I just printed out SAMUE, just printed them sideways. All right. So now let's check this out. I can type again. All right. Okay, so now I did Samuel. Actually, let's leave that there so you guys have a point of reference. Let's copy this. And then I want to go name. I'll comment this out. All right. Now, here's the one that's really going to mess with you. So I want to copy this again. And I want to go I times 3. Comment this out. All right, so we need to really talk about what in the world is going on over here. So this is my, we're gonna talk about this. This is called, so name, and then let's go back to our help. And we do help, get into our interactive, and we do 4. Let's look at 4. What in the world does this do? So it's going through, and this is a type of loop. So it's going to do something over and over and over again until it is exhausted. For loop, right here. Then it will iterate over a sequence. So name is a string, but it's also called an iterable. You can iterate through each item. So Samuel has 6 letters. So I want to show you this. Let's rerun this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 rows, right? And I'm going to change this. This is kind of the standard, and I wanted to show you this way. This is called the temporary variable. So I'm going to change, so this makes more sense. Letter. So for letter in name, this iterable, I want you then to each time through. So all it's doing is counting how many letters are in there. Then I want you to take each letter, and I want 3 of them printed out each time. So that's what we're doing here. And this is one of the most powerful tools that you have in your toolbox, is to loop through something over and over and over again. So all right, let's keep moving. See you next video.